So I made a relatively expensive mistake. I did not bed level properly. I was in a rush, and that is not a good idea because I just made about a $35 mistake. Not only did I mess up the print bed, which you'll see either now or in a second, but I also messed up the nozzle so bad and had to buy a whole new set of nozzles. So more nozzles, a whole new glass print bed. Both of those will be linked below the like button in the description. I like them both so far. The glass bed is really nice, and the actual nozzles came with a lot, and it was relatively inexpensive, but still it hurts to make such a easy to fix and to not happen mistake. Oopsies.